Hey, what's up guys? Today we want to talk about brining a turkey. A lot of people get scared about making a turkey for Thanksgiving, don't know what to do. We're really big proponents on brining it. So how we're gonna brine it is that we're gonna get our turkey. We usually use a hen turkey, it's a little bit smaller to fit in our buckets. We're gonna get water and a brine solution. So you always wanna make sure you're taking off all the plastic that comes on your turkeys. This little thing that holds the legs together, make sure there's no added giblets or the neck's still not in there. And then we're gonna fill our bucket up. At Valley Farm, we have brining solution that's ready for you guys. So you guys have, the thought process is out of it. All you have to do is just dump this into your bucket. This is gonna fill with 2 gallons of water. We have bay leaves, sugar, salt, peppercorn. Just mix that together with 2 gallons of water. So once we do that, we'll mix it up nice and good. You can already smell the aromas out of it. We got about 2 gallons in here. And what I always do is like my dad would say, we're putting the turkey under arrest. So we put these wings behind it. We get it nice and plump. And then she just goes right in our brine solution. You wanna make sure she's completely submerged. And also what I like to do, and I know not everyone has access to it, but I have an ice machine and I will get my ice and fill it up about another quarter of the way. The ice will keep the turkey down and keeps this nice and cold and insulated. So let me grab that real quick. All right, so we got the Yeti bucket filled up. I got the ice that I want in, and it's pushing the turkey down, creating the brine all the way around. Really want this to do about 24 hours. It gives it the best moisture retention, and if you want to do a little bit less, that's up to you, but you can play with it. Like I said, we have these kits that take all the thought process out of it at Valley Farm for our Thanksgiving. Again, just put it in, 2 gallons of water, it's ready to go. We hope this was educational for you guys and you guys learned something and you guys can do this and create an amazing turkey for Thanksgiving.